Hi guys, it's Andy Robinson here and thanks for checking out the channel again. And today we've got a bit of an unboxing video. I've got here the DT03 Racing Fighter Black Edition, and we're going to have a quick look at it today out in the box. We'll go a little bit closer for you and you can see some of the things it's equipped with. So this one has quite a few hop-up parts. It's a bit like the Sand Viper and Desert Gator Tuned Edition, but I think you actually even get more with this than you did with those kits. So if you look at the featured components, black chassis and front uprights, red front and rear wheels. They're not necessarily hop-ups, they're just special components for this vehicle, but you do get the CVA oil dampers in grey, torque tune motor, a 19 tooth pinion instead of the usual 17 stock one, full turnbuckle set, lightweight gear shafts, black alloy wheel nut, high torque servo saver, and instead of the plastic drive shafts and cups you get the proper metal drive shafts, out drives and axles, and of course full bearings. So that is very cool and a nice swanky box. Anyway, let's open it up. Okay, just turn this round for you. So we've got the instruction manual, and so it's a normal instruction manual, but look, that's the supplement sheet there for the right stage of the build to put in the optional extra parts you get with it. So explains that all. Okay, so we've got that, and I think the other sheet there is just for how to do the body. Now the body colour, which is clear at this point, is PS23 I think, which is gunmetal grey, and that's the colour of the body. I probably will do it box art this one, although I might just go for a pure black, I'm not sure. Anyway, yep, limited edition red Stardish wheels, usual kit tyres, this one. I got the ESC there, the what is it? TB02 LE brushless speedo. I can never say it right actually. Yeah, TBLE 02S brushed and brushless ESC. And then we've got all the little hardware in there. Looking at that, you can just see the torque tune motor and some of the kit for the high torque servo saver and some of the turnbuckles there. Okay, and the shock bag. Oh yeah, alloy wheel nuts are in there as well. There's the rest of the high torque servo saver. It's all in there. That there, that's the clear Racing Fighter body and wing, and then you've got all the plastic trees there. I say on this one, look at it here, that's the gears. The big difference here is that the chassis halves and shock towers are in black rather than the standard grey on the standard Racing Fighter and the Neo Fighter and the Aquashock kits. So there we go. We're going to look forward to building this. It's going to be ace, something to do. So there we have it. Pretty Pretty cool. Pack this away for now because I'm not building it just yet. But I've just thought I'd give you a quick look at what you get. I love them wheels. Those wheels are ace. Tyres there. Cool. So yeah, there we go. DT03 chassis. Black edition. And stay tuned. If you want to see it built, I'll be building it soon-ish. And we'll get a video on the channel for you. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and also hit the notification bell if you want to know when our next videos are up as soon as they're posted. And cheers for checking out the channel. Take care, guys.